Alright, I'm going to give a quick demonstration of the gimbal that I mounted. I think I got it working pretty good now. I got to flip my gear. Cam stabilization comes on when the gear go up, so it's kind of a dual function switch. Now when I tilt it, the gimbal staying fairly level. If I go back, this part tilts down. If I go that way, it tilts up. It's always trying to keep the camera level to the horizon. And I managed to actually get it set so it does what it's supposed to do. You can hear it working. It actually matches the speed now that I tilted at. I was having problems with it over tilting and going the wrong way and winding up on itself and stuff. But I think I got everything right finally. And then when you flip the gear off, the cam stabilization comes to a stop.